Hi, you finally made it to Unit 5, our government. So, for this, we're going to be looking at what our government is and what it does. So, first things first, we're going to be designing a government, okay? I want everyone to think that there's going to be 200 people here of 60 families. What we're going to do is we're going to make our own government out of this. So, how's our government going to be organized? The different parts, and if we have different parts, what role will each one play? How will the government carry out business? When and where will it meet? How will rules and laws be made? And how will people be chosen to serve in the government? Now, let's say this is the U.S. government. So the government's going to be organized into 3 different branches, or in this, 3 different parts. Each one is going to play a different part. So if you already know, we have 3 different branches: legislative, judicial, and executive. Each of those branches is going to be a different part. Each part will play its own different part. So the judicial, making laws.
Just keep going.
Hi, it's Eric again, and welcome to Unit 5. You finally made it. Aren't you proud? This is going to cover government and our federal government. Hope you're excited. It's going to be really fun. Okay? So, first thing you're going to start off, you're going to design your own government. Now, you get to determine everything it does. Isn't that going to be fun? But there's different challenges. You're going to have to worry about how it's going to be organized, how it's going to carry out business, and the rules and laws that'll be made, and how they're elected. Lesson 2 is going to be figuring out designing that government. Then, you're going to talk about 2 different things that are part of our government: popular sovereignty and limited government. The term republic, maybe some of you have heard it. You'll learn about it in this. That's what Lesson 2 is going to be. Lesson 3. This is going to be talking about the different levels of our government. So we have the federal government, state governments, and then local governments. You're going to be looking at these 3 levels of organization, how they overlap, and what roles they have to play in society. You're going to be looking at something that shows that you're going to fill out of how the government affects you, whether at the local, state, and federal levels. Then you're going to be asked to fill out a Venn diagram so you'll find out where the activities and roles of each government play at the 2 different levels, the top, federal, and state. That's Lesson 3. For Lesson 4, you're going to be looking at the different types of governments: republic, constitutional government, and Republican government. For Lesson 5, it's going to be talking about checks and balances. You're going to be looking at all the different problems that are divided up through the government, that are being checked, balanced by each branch. Now, when the framers made the Constitution, they divided it into 3 different branches for a reason: to make sure each branch didn't have too much power. That's what checks and balances is. You're going to learn more about that in Lesson 5. There, that's Lesson 5, or Unit 5. Who cares?